Hi and welcome to Automation Framework with Playwright and Java. In this course, we will learn about Playwright, the best automation framework out there at this moment, and we will do this exclusively using Java. The course is tailored for anyone that comes from a Selenium and Java background. If you're tired of maintaining flaky and slow Selenium tests, then this course is for you. I've been working as a test architect for more than 12 years, and I've seen all the frameworks and languages under the sun. So you can believe me when I tell you that Playwright is a game changer when it comes to web automation. This course focuses on building an automation framework from zero with a hands-on approach. We will take it step by step, from writing a simple Playwright test and exploring the main features and concepts that are introduced in Playwright, and we will go as far as building an advanced automation framework that you can use in your own projects. This course is meant to be concise and to the point. I assume that most of you don't have 40 hours to waste in order to learn a new automation framework, so I try to be as concise as possible in order to give you the maximum amount of knowledge in the shortest amount of time possible. The course is constantly updated, so be sure to check in frequently for new lessons. All the code developed in this project is available for download, and you can find the resources under each lesson, so it will be very easy to follow along. Let's see what you will learn in this course. We will start by exploring the main concepts and features behind Playwright. We will progressively build up to develop a modern automation framework that uses Playwright, Java, JUnit 5 and Maven. After this, we will talk about debugging and reporting capabilities offered by Playwright. Next, we will learn how to achieve parallel execution for our tests. Last but not least, we will integrate our framework with different CI/CD tools. Are you ready to deep dive into Playwright with Java and take your career to the next level?